Hey, welcome back. Today, well, we're going to be doing an unboxing with a little RGB light. It's the Ulanzi VL15. 22 bucks Australian. It's a great little unit. Tiny. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what you get for 22 bucks on eBay. Fantastic value, I'm hoping. Don't let me down, Ulanzi. Let's get into this. Let's hit that intro and let's talk about the features before we unbox this bad boy. Radio, let's go. Radio, let's do this. VL15 from Ulanzi. Said $22, bit of a bargain. I did pay for myself. It's not a promotional video. I have used their products before and I've been pretty impressed actually. So if it is a good item, I'd rather let you know and get a chance. You know, it's something great. You can fit in your bag. It's easy. It's not a big light. It could be a little bit of a bonus win. So the trusty unboxing knife. It's always handy. A little Kershaw. Okie doke. Now what do we get in the box? It is tiny. Holy bundy, look at that. That is very cool. Not much else in the box. I don't think. There's a bit of instructions. Box folds out. Little book. Who needs booklets? And a little USB-C to USB-A charging cord. Always handy. That's Apple. Apple still runs Lightning. Even Ulanzi's running USB-C. So that's what's in the box. You don't need that box. Yeah, as I said, silicone diffuser. It's nice and soft, nice and flexible. So that's good. I sort of thought it might be a little bit. Sometimes you get little stiff ones, and they sort of crack and go brittle after a while. Silicone, nice and soft, definitely nice and soft. We'll pull that off. Show you that. Not bad, not bad. And then there's the light, the VL15 from Ulanzi. Now on this side, we've got the USB-C charge port. Obviously hot shoe mount, little plastic threaded one there. Does have the looks like a dash or 20 threads size, standard size for your tripods. Another hot shoe mount in here, and that's what they say. It's a stackable item, so you could have multiple of these, run different colors, and give yourself a bit of a rainbow. Lots of different options in regards to that, so that's cool. And then a button over this side. Haven't read the instructions, but there we go. Blue, purple, white, a little bit of a yellowish. It looks like, oh, that's a changing color one. Very, very cool. Hopefully this is not blowing you right out, but there's a good little bit of a hit of all the different colors. Yellow, greens, teals, red, orange. So just by clicking the button, you just cycling through basically. Just looking, there's our white. So we've got the white there, and I'll chuck the little diffuser back on so we can see what that's like. 22 bucks. Isn't it great what you can get? Like cost of living's through the roof, but for 22 bucks you can get a decent little bargain. And then there's some diffused light for you. So obviously you can imagine you can put this wherever you like. It fits everywhere. No magnets or anything, so you will need to mount it. $22. Did you really think we're going to get magnets? But that diffused light looks pretty darn good in the camera to me. What do you think? You obviously got your power charge on the back here. Down the bottom you can see that. I've got 4 blue lights out of the package. Got a bit of charge, so that's pretty cool. It is plastic, super light, but pocket, under your shirt. Your mind's limitless. 22 bucks. You literally buy 3 or 4 of these, place them around wherever you want, get the effect you're after. Yeah, plenty we could do with this. Not bad from Ulanzi. Great job, Ulanzi, and yeah, I'm pretty happy for 22 bucks. That's a little bit of a bargain for the week. Anyway, only a little quick one. Coming from a diffuser near you. If you like this little quick product ideas, give us a thumbs up, like down below. We'll try and do some more of these as we go. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I will see you on the next one. See ya.